Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. For today's video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find the best Bata promo codes in 2025. So if you are interested, let's just take a look at it. You just have to open the new tab in your web browser and search for best Bata promo codes 2025. Afterwards, you will be able to see a bunch of different websites. Some will be claiming that you will get 80% off, some will claim that you will get 50% off. So you just have to simply open them in a new tab in order to hop onto them and take a look at the coupon codes. So as I opened these three websites, so I'm going to go to the websites and check the coupon codes one by one. So this coupon code is giving me 80% off, so you just have to click on that, and this is the coupon code that you need to copy. Afterwards, you just have to simply go to the websites and you can redeem the particular coupon code, and it is available on all the orders with an exclusive discount of up to 80%. Similar is the case with this website. You can just select the coupon code in which you are interested and open it and go to Bata's official website, create your account, select the product, and at the time of checkout you just have to simply try to use these coupon codes and check if these are working. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.